Yesterday was a great day because the night before it rained, and let me tell you, the garden is looking great. Compared to the way it's been the last couple of months, it's been just crazy drought and no rain, and so hard to keep the plants healthy and happy. And so it's really nice that the soil is starting to cool down here in the fall, and we got a good rain. And I spent the whole day putting things in the ground and trimming things. And I moved some plants from pots into the ground. And you know what it's like in the garden? It's a revolving door. You got to take one plant out, put it in the ground, and then you have empty pots you've got to fill. So I'm headed over to see my main man about some more yuccas. I really love the yuccas that I got from Manny. They're doing great. Don't need any care at all. They just look beautiful all the time. So I'm headed over there. I'm going to take a look at some more yuccas and maybe some other things. And yeah, let's get going. Hey, here at Navarro is going to go search for that yucca for the pot. Now, I have to remember when I'm at Navarro's what I came for. This is very dangerous. I go wandering around and I want this and I want that and I want a little bit of everything. So I got to stay focused when I'm there, but it's really hard, I got to tell you. Yeah, because I see these agaves, these beautiful variegated agaves, and I get a little plant happy and want to buy them, but it's not in the budget right now. But that's okay, someday it will be in the budget. And I just got to remember that and stay focused. Focus, Kelly, just focus. And I'm also going through this crazy obsession with mangaves too. I just don't have a lot of experience with them. I have a few, and I'm happy with the ones I have. But I really want to get more, but that's going to have to wait too. There's so many beauties here that it's hard to leave them behind, but I came for yuccas, so I'm going to get my yuccas and I'm going to go. This is dangerous.
If you want to start a little bitter,
That's beautiful.
You want the 1 gallon, right here.
I tell you what, I want 2 of the 1 gallon and I want 1 of the bigger ones.
Yeah. Perfecto mundo. You want that single one or you want the triple head, 2 babies?
What do you think?
I don't know.
The triple.
Okay. That'll be a beautiful multi-trunk tree grass.
And you know, I can either divide it or just keep it like that. That's the great thing.
They be so spectacular.
Yeah. I have to tell you, I got one that had 2 in it and I was going to divide it and I ended up not dividing it because it looks so nice and full.
Wait 10 years from now, it's going to be the most amazing multi-trunk.
It's beautiful. I love it so much. Yep, that's what I want, Manny.
Okay, well, let's bring it over here.
Then I got to take them home and pot them up today.
Yeah?
I got to work putting those precious new yuccas in the mulch mobile and got on the road and headed home. That's a tip for you too. Always keep some empty cardboard boxes in the back of your car, van, truck, whatever. Helps hold them in place so they're not sliding around everywhere and dumping over. And then the unloading begins and taking them all the way from the front of the house to the back garden. I'll find a place for these later. But this is where the big one's going. Yep, and Larry, the lazy cat, well, he approves 100%. So yeah, a really great weekend in the garden. Spending one day working and replanting, and the next day getting to go out and shop for a new plant for an empty pot. Woohoo! And hey guys, if you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please subscribe. Thanks so much!